There is a new billion-dollar industry, and that is AI automation. The future is here, and it's time to claim your stake in this lucrative industry. In this video, I'm going to run through 10 profitable niches for AI automation agencies. Also, that's niches or niches, whichever pronunciation you prefer. So there is a real opportunity to get a first mover advantage because this is a brand new industry and there are no providers of many of these services. I'm going to show you what industries to target and what to automate. I'm Samson Voles, and on this channel, we talk about AI and entrepreneurship. When it comes to targeting industries for your AI automation agency, it's important to set your sights on sectors that offer both lucrative opportunities and a slower pace of technological adoption. Let's explore a few industries that fit that bill. First up is lawyers. Law firms get paid an inordinate amount of money, and they deal with mountains of legal documentation and research. So you can provide automation for tasks like document review, contract analysis, and legal research. And you can significantly boost efficiency and accuracy, allowing lawyers to focus more on providing top-notch legal counsel and one-to-one support. Law is a particularly good industry to target because it's extremely well paid and it's a very old industry that is slow to adjust, as well as having huge amounts of documents, data, and files that need to be processed. Next up, we have accountants, the most boring job in the world. I mean, what? Accountants handle intricate financial data and calculations. By automating data entry, bookkeeping, and financial analysis with AI, you can free up accountants' time, enabling them to focus on more strategic activities like marketing, financial planning, and advisory services, adding even more value to their clients. So imagine you're creating an AI automation agency just for accountants. This is your target market, and that is the offer you're providing. You can build out templates for yourself for automating this process. So you've already got the systems in place. You've repeated this process a number of times. You have trained your own staff who are going to assist you in implementing these processes into an accounting firm. If you're thinking of creating an AI automation agency, well, it's important to put security at the very top of your priorities. And for that, I recommend NordPass, which allows you to securely store and manage all of your passwords in one place. So if you're handling a lot of client passwords, creating accounts for them, it's important that you make sure that you are saving them in a secure place. It's important to make sure that you are implementing the best systems yourself, and make sure you're not writing down passwords in a little note or on a spreadsheet or putting them on a piece of paper. No, you need to take this seriously. And for that, I recommend NordPass. So you can try NordPass risk-free, and it's especially useful for implementing secure, safe systems to keep you organized. Because one of the key things when starting an AI automation agency is creating organized systems that you can trust. And that's why I use NordPass. So visit nordpass.com for your free trial today. Next up is real estate agents. And one of the reasons we like to target real estate agents is because they're selling such expensive pieces of property, and it means that they're making a good amount of money on each sale, and helping them automate their processes can be validated by the fact that they're making a lot of money. Real estate professionals have their hands full with property listings, client communications, and lead generation. And AI automation can simplify these processes by streamlining the lead generation process, by enhancing property matching, and also property listing creation. They can also help facilitate customer relationship management. So having a chatbot always on hand to keep customers up to date on the state of a process, of a sale, of a bid, will greatly enhance the feeling of attention that each client gets. And this allows agents to provide more personalized experiences, close deals more effectively, and speed up the entire process. So you can certainly imagine having an AI automation agency targeted at real estate agents. Now, from a slightly different angle, we can look at interior designers, because this is one of the industries where you can really implement AI visual tools as a service. AI tools can be a game changer for interior designers because they're able to generate virtual room designs. They can take a photo of a space and immediately redesign it with 20 different types of aesthetic. So they can be sitting there with a client, going through a whole host of different designs and being able to visualize those in real time. Here are just a few examples of how this could work with Stable Diffusion and ControlNet. But it's not just visualizing the interior design of different rooms. Interior designers can also automate their management of clients and their lead generation. Now, in another realm, another very interesting example is plastic surgeons, because AI can play a crucial role in actually planning and designing different features for clients. So you're training AI surgeons or marketing professionals in the plastic surgery industry to be able to help clients decide what shape do they want to have, their nose or their bosoms. So you can have a live 3D model and you're slowly actually adjusting the different parameters of width and depth and size. And of course, you can also manage client aftercare as well as lead generation and marketing management. By establishing an AI automation agency focused on these industries, you position yourself as a trusted partner on their journey towards digital transformation, automation, and efficiency. Remember, understanding their pain points and offering tailored solutions that align with their unique needs will be the key to your agency's success. And I highly recommend, if you have an experience in an industry already, perhaps you come from a background in accounting or as a graphic designer or as a hotelier, well, you can use your experience and understanding of that industry to then leverage AI tools. So you're combining your unique experiences to create an offer. So think about what service, what industry do you understand very well? Then you can go about breaking down those processes that exist that are repeatable across different businesses in that industry. Then look at building tools, templates, and systems that you can leverage inside of different businesses providing the same services. You can then go in and either sell these as info products or actually sell them as a white label service where you're taking their existing processes and completely redefining them, training their staff and giving them the tools they need to automate and improve their systems. I'm curious if there are any industries that you can think of that would not be improved with AI automation. As I put it to you, that there's not a single task or a single role that anyone performs on the planet that cannot be improved with the use of AI. Now, another approach for niching down your AI automation agency is, instead of targeting specific industries, is target specific processes. For example, you might have a personalized cold outreach agency. And this type of agency is designed to help businesses convert more leads into paying customers. Here's how it works. You'll create an AI-enabled API flow that leverages prospect or lead data. And you'll use this data to create personalized messages to send to this list. The goal is to achieve higher response rates compared to generic outreach. Now, why is this such a game changer? Well, cold outreach response rates are incredibly low, and these businesses invest significant funds to acquire high quality leads. In today's world, people are bombarded with countless generic emails. By crafting messages that are tailored to the individual based on their LinkedIn profile or other relevant sources, you can cut through the clutter and engage directly with your prospects. Next up is AI in e-commerce. And I've done a recent interview with a friend of mine, Surya, who runs an AI automation business for e-commerce. Check the description for that link. Imagine having the ability to predict consumer behavior, as well as automate all of your customer inquiries for quotes, inventory, pricing, delivery, or refunds. So you can enhance the customer experience, and by using AI, you can develop intelligent customer support systems that provide quick and accurate responses to inquiries. AI empowers you to master the art of upselling. By analyzing customer data and patterns, you can offer personalized recommendations that align with their interests and preferences. Next up is one of my favorites, and one that I've been actively exploring, and that is an AI-based content creation agency. In today's digital world, content creation is an important strategy for all businesses because it allows them to connect and engage with their audience in an authentic way. And establishing an online presence that resonates with your audience is a key skill, and one that AI can help automate and improve. So you can automate the content creation process for a company, but what you're doing is you're actually leveraging your own AI systems to speed up this process entirely. One thing that you can look at doing is identifying a piece of content that worked very well for a company, putting it through AI, for example, ChatGPT, asking it to create 10 other pieces of content that follow this style, this tone, and this context, and outputting it. Now, you can then create those pieces of content either as a blog post or a video, but what's excellent about AI is its ability to repurpose a piece of content for other situations. For example, you can take the transcript of a YouTube video and then ask AI to create LinkedIn posts, Twitter posts, Facebook posts, an email, a short script for a reel or a short form piece of content. And you can develop systems that can automate this entire process very effectively. Another interesting tool is Opus, which can take long form content and automatically cut and caption it into short form content. I have a video on that here. And you can simply use this tool as a service for large content creators. So you can be their AI repurposing content platform. So you can reach out to successful YouTubers and say, hey, I can automate the entire process of repurposing all of your content for all of these different platforms. Then you can manage it for them and automatically schedule all these new types of content onto the other social media platforms. Next up is AI data-driven analytics. In today's data-driven world, having a competitive edge requires harnessing the power of AI to predict market trends, customer behavior, and recognizing opportunities to leverage new products or new content. So you can take the data of existing content creators or businesses and help them analyze it to understand the trends about what products they should be making or what content they should be making. So one tool I've been experimenting with is ML Creator, and this analyzes all of my YouTube content to give me suggestions about what are the best types of thumbnail or title to be using going forwards. Now, you can leverage this sort of tool to provide a content strategy consultation for other content creators. You can offer this as a service because understanding customer behavior is crucial for success in any business. Another interesting approach that I think is ripe for creating a service for is for Airbnb hosts. So you can create a Airbnb guest chatbot so that instead of asking the host the same questions over and over again, you can automate this with a chatbot that they can talk to. You can also help them automate the booking and cleaning processes by notifying their cleaner via email as soon as somebody books so that they are booked to come and clean once they have checked out. Next up is a marketing automation agency. And in a rapidly evolving marketing landscape, AI is reshaping the marketing process. A recent study predicts that the market for AI marketing will reach $107 billion by 2028. And this highlights its immense potential for growth, profit, and for making your business. So creating a marketing automation agency allows you to tap into this transformative power of AI and build a thriving business. By implementing AI in marketing processes, you can automate repetitive tasks such as email campaigns, social media posting, and lead generation, unlocking enhanced efficiency and productivity across the board. So one thing that you can look at is what are the processes that exist across pretty much every single business. And one of those is HR and recruitment. So you can look at building your agency around this process. You can automatically screen applicants' CVs, giving them a first pass and a first review from the AI. So you can tell and teach the AI what you're looking for in candidates and ask it to give its opinion on the CVs submitted from different applicants. This can help speed up the process of finding the right candidates, though it is ripe for abuse and discrimination. So that's an important caveat to remember. You can also include creating a chatbot that will help handle a first round of interviews with clients. So what you can do is you can create an AI avatar interviewer that will represent your company and will have a first round of video calls with potential applicants. So they will sit there in a video call and have an AI interviewer ask them questions. They will then respond to these questions. And then the AI can even go back through and analyze the entire conversation and the quality of the applicant, giving its recommendation as to whether they should be forwarded to the next round of interviews. Now, another form of AI automation is targeting people who are consultants. For example, if you look at nutritionists or fitness coaches or life coaches, accountability coaches, business coaches, what they can do is take all of the plans that they've already created for previous clients, they can then filter in the information that is relevant to a new client and ask it to create a new plan based on this new customer. This helps them massively speed up their service. And you could automate this entire process by creating templates, guides, and systems that allow coaches and consultants to implement these AI automation principles into their practices. So just imagine the value you bring by saying, hey, all those hundreds of plans you've created for previous clients, we can take those and transform them into new ones in seconds. Next up is creating an AI onboarding chatbot. So say you have a company and you're bringing on a new employee and you need to train them up on a whole host of different activities. Well, instead of assigning one of your existing employees, you can simply create an AI bot to do that for you, because the human involvement in each step can lead to wastage and potential revenue loss when clients drop off during the onboarding journey. Your mission is to transform the entire onboarding process into a seamless chatbot experience. And I'm curious, are there any other industries that you believe would greatly benefit from AI automation? Let me know in the comments. AI automation is an exciting industry where, if you're passionate about technology and improving the processes that exist in different businesses, and you want to make some good moolah, this is a fantastic opportunity. What type of AI automation agency are you thinking of creating? And which ones would you like me to break down in more detail? Let me know in the comments. And thanks very much for watching. Make sure to watch this video next for more on the latest AI opportunities. I'm Samson Voles, and this is Delightful Design, and I hope you have a delightful day.